Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello friends, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims geography question. We already did the same session for economy, but this session is totally different from what we did for economy. Here we are going to add the prediction part. What is the possible question they may ask for 2025? So please make a note of it. That will be most useful for your upcoming prelims exam. Let's begin the session. So we already did the sessions related to the 2024. So in that we gave the dissections of that 20 questions. So in that 20 questions, 12 questions are from the direct current affair and the 5 questions is from the NCRT and the current affair related one, and the other questions are, it is a purely NCRT based questions. So that is the dissections for the 2024 question. Here now we are going to start with 2023 question discussion. So in this questions, first we are going to discuss about the lakes and the rivers. So it is one of the purely a factual based question. So before going to the question, we have to discuss about the various lakes and the rivers. So first, the Zeelam River. So Zeelam is the important tributary of Indus, rises from the spring at Verinag, situated at the foot of the Panjal in the southeastern part of the valley of the Kashmir. It flows through the Srinagar and the Ullar Lake. Before entering the Pakistan through the deep narrow gorges, it joins the Chenab near the Zang in the Pakistan. So it is actually flowing through the Ullar Lake. So that is the first thing. Next, the Kolleru Lake serves as the natural flood balancing reservoir for the two rivers. The lake is fed directly by water from the seasonal Gutameru and the Tamleru streams. It is connected to the Krishna, but not directly fed. Okay, and the Godavari systems by over 68 inflowing drains and the channels. So which means Kolleru River is not directly connected to the Krishna River. Okay, so that is the main thing you need to know, and also it is act as the natural flood balancing reservoir. When the Krishna River and the Godavari River is over flooding, then it will be fed the Kolleru Lake. So it is not directly flooding that Kolleru Lake. That is the main thing you have to note. And next is about the Kanwar Lake in Bihar. Is the Asia's largest freshwater oxbow lake. Okay, and this is actually today it is a dying wetland ecosystem. It is the residual of the oxbow lake formed by the meandering of the Burigandak River, a tributary of the Ganga. Okay, so these are the things. Based on that, you have to discuss it. First, consider the following statement. Zeelam River passes through the Ullar Lake. That is true. Krishna River directly feeds the Kolleru River. Now only we saw that is wrong. Next, third is meandering of the Gandak River. It is not Gandak, it is actually the Buri Gandak. Okay, so it is actually Buri Gandak River. So this part is also wrong. So for this, the answer is only one. So the answer is A. So this question is purely a factual part. For that, what are the possible things they may ask for the upcoming examiners? I actually give you the data. So what are the lakes? What is the regions? And also what is the river that is feeding that? So we already discussed about the Ullar Lake. Next is the Dal Lake in the Jammu and Kashmir, and it is fed by the small mountain streams. Next is Loktak Lake. It is in the Manipur. Manipur river system is feeding it. Next, Bhojtal. Okay, it is in the Madhya Pradesh and it is fed by the Kolans River. Please make a note of it. If they are going to ask question in the same pattern, they will ask these questions only. Okay, these are the major lakes and also major rivers. So based on this only, they are going to ask a question for the upcoming exam. So please make a note of it. That will be more useful for your upcoming exam. So these are the freshwater lakes. Next is salt water and the brackish water lakes. So first is Chilika Lake in Odisha. It is fed by the Mahanadi and the Daya river. Next, Pulikat Lake. It is in the Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu border. So it is fed by the Swarnamukhi river. And then the Sambar Lake. It is in the Rajasthan. So there is no major river. It is connected to it. At the time period of the monsoon, there will be the formation of the Sambar Lake. Okay, so it is actually the rainfed region. Next is the artificial lakes or the dams. Gobind Sagar Dam is in the Himachal Pradesh. It is fed by the Satluj River. Next, Hirakud Reservoir is in the Odisha Mahanadi River. And then the Nagarjuna Sagar is in the Andhra Pradesh. It is actually fed by the Krishna River. So these are the certain important lakes and also certain important lakes and the important rivers and where it is there. Okay. So these are the major things. Please make a note of it. It will be more useful for your upcoming exam, because if there is 20 questions they are going to ask, in that 50% of the question from the current affair. Okay. And remaining 25% will be from the current affair and then connected to the conventional part. And another 25% will be purely from the NCERT based or the factual data. So when it comes to the factual data, you have to remember all these things. Okay, that is the most important thing. You need to make a note of it. Okay, thank you.